welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another What I Eat video. So if you guys are new around here, hello and welcome. My name is Becca and I am a registered dietitian. I make lots of videos on nutrition, wellness, lifestyle, lots of good stuff. So for these videos, I typically just keep my camera handy and I show you guys whatever I am making and eating throughout the day. And I am a huge intuitive eater. Nothing as far as food goes is off limits to me. I just kind of eat whatever feels good, whatever feels right, and then also just like as far as quantities go, whatever feels right in the moment, that is what I have. But yeah, I'm definitely a huge intuitive eater, so you will definitely see that here in this video, but also just on my channel. You guys absolutely love these videos, so I do love making them for you, but I think it's always important to remember that just because I'm eating something or I'm eating a certain amount of something doesn't necessarily mean that that is right for you. You should always listen to your own body and your own cues and just do what is best for you. But drawing inspiration from these videos is certainly not a bad thing, but don't do exactly what I'm doing just because I'm doing it. Listen to your body. But I'm about to go make some breakfast. I think I'm just gonna like whip up some eggs really quick because I have a lot of work to do and I really need to get rolling. But I wanted to just kind of update you guys because you've already seen the beginning of this video and you probably saw that I didn't make coffee. Instead, I made a matcha latte, which is something that I've been doing recently. I already drank it, so it's gone. But like a few weeks ago, or maybe more like a month ago, all of a sudden I just like felt like I wasn't like fully enjoying my cup of coffee in the morning. Like it just wasn't tasting as good. Like I don't know. So I was just kind of like, all right, maybe I'll try something else for the time being. So I have been making this matcha latte most mornings. I have a post on my blog. I will link it down below with the full recipe that I do, so if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, I've actually really been liking it. There is some caffeine in matcha, but not as much as coffee, so I kind of just like accidentally went off of coffee and like most caffeine. It wasn't like a planned thing. I wasn't like trying to cut it out by any means. It just kind of happened and I actually feel a little bit better not drinking caffeine in the morning. So I always kind of drank coffee more for the ritual anyway, so like not necessarily to wake me up because I have pretty good energy in the morning, but I feel like I have better energy throughout the day now. I don't know. I mean, I'm not saying I'm never gonna have a cup of coffee again, like let's be real. But yeah, so that's just kind of like an update of what I've been doing recently, and matcha lattes taste so good. But let's go make some breakfast. But before I do that, there's Miss Rosie. Hey Rosie, you wanna say hi to the YouTubes? Yeah, you're so sweet. Say, I'm a sweet girl. I just like to lay here in my little spot on the couch. God, I love her. So here's my breakfast, just 2 scrambled pasture-raised eggs, and I already had some like strawberries and blueberries already, you know, cleaned and cut up, so I just threw some of that on there because I wanted something light. I'm in the mood for something light, so there we go. There's my breakfast. Okay, I am back. It is time for lunch. I am really hungry. I'm thinking I'm gonna make some kind of salad, but while I'm making it, I'm going to snack on my new favorite thing ever, these Brad's veggie chips. I always see these at the grocery store. Like, these are not new. I'm sure I'm very late to the game on these, but it's the first time I've ever tried them and they're really, really, really good. They're also plant-based, so any of my plant-based friends out there, you would totally be able to eat these. But yeah, the ingredients are amazing. I have the cheddar ones, but I literally want to try every single flavor. They are just so good, like so crunchy and satisfying and have like a ton of flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna make myself like a taco salad. I've got this big bowl. I'm gonna throw in some baby spinach and kale. I've got some leftover seasoned taco meat. It's ground turkey. I'm gonna top it with some salsa, a little bit of avocado, and then this cheddar from pasture-raised cows. And then I'm going to take some tortilla chips and just kind of crumble them on top, and that's gonna be my lunch. here's my salad. It looks really good. I am going to dig in. Hello, I'm back. So it's 4:23 right now. I've just been working, but I'm gonna grab a quick snack. Before I grab a snack, actually, I'm going to take a shot of this stuff. It's actually almost empty. I get this from the same place that I get my oils, from Young Living. It is a, it's called Ningxia Red. It's like a super high, like crazy high antioxidant drink. It's basically like a concentrated berry juice, and it's like, I don't know, like 1 ounce or 2 ounces is equal to like 100 oranges, and like just, it's crazy the amount of antioxidants. So I started, I tried it, and I really like it. I just take an ounce a day-ish. Like, I don't really measure it completely, but so does Matt. He takes it too, but I literally like crave it now. I feel like my body just loves it, and I like just taking a little shot. I usually take it in like the afternoon, just because that's just usually when I get around to doing it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna pour a little shot of that. Okay, first off, can we just appreciate these tiny mason jar shot glasses? Are these not the cutest thing you've ever seen? Adorable. Anyway, cheers. Tastes like really flavorful berry juice. It's actually really good. Okay, and then snack-wise, I feel like my kitchen is a mess back there. Just ignore that. You know, no one's perfect. But I am just grabbing one of these. It's a Siggy's drinkable yogurt. I have like not been like feeling regular yogurt recently. Like the past couple months, I just like, I don't know, it just doesn't sound that good to me. But for some reason, the drinkable yogurts I have been so into. I like buy them every week when I'm at the grocery store. I just get the vanilla flavor. They're really, really, really good. I really enjoy them. Sometimes I only drink half, sometimes I drink the whole thing. But yeah, so I'm gonna grab this, and then I'm going upstairs because I have to pack, actually, because we are going down to the beach this weekend. And I need to pack because Matt's gonna be home soon, and I need to throw some stuff in a bag and get ready to go. We are on our way to the beach. Say hi, Rosie. How you doing back there? She like won't relax, she won't lay down, she's just hanging out. So we made it, and Matt actually just ran out to get us dinner. We're just having takeout, because we just got here, there's no food here, we're not gonna cook or anything. But we got Italian food, and I'm pretty excited. Once you go to, like, because we just got back from Italy, so I feel like nothing really compares, but it still sounds really good. And it's gonna be delicious, like a nice, hot, delicious meal, because it is freezing in this house right now. All right, here we go. Here's my dinner. Classic Italian takeout. I got eggplant parm. That sounded so good, and a ton of spaghetti. There's no way in hell I'm gonna eat all this, but it looks so good. So we just finished our dinner, and it was pretty good. I'm very full, but that is it for my what I ate in a day video. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm sorry that I didn't have like a dinner idea or recipe for you guys, but you know, sometimes you just gotta get takeout, and that's okay. Yeah, that's real life. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss any of my upcoming videos, and of course you can follow me on Instagram as well. I would love to hang out with you on there. But that's it for this video. Again, thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hey Rosie, you wanna say bye? You wanna say bye? Say goodnight. You got the ball? Oh, you got the ball, huh? Hey, Rosie? You wanna say goodnight? Say bye.